Hello friends, welcome to another interesting video of Accessible Computing YouTube channel. Hi, this is your tech assistant Ratul. Accessible Computing, access to technology with accessibility. Today, I am very excited because in this video, I want to show you some advanced settings or some advantage of Samsung Talkback. So those who are using a Samsung phone, they can be benefited from this video. So if you are a Samsung user, don't forget to press that like button and don't forget to share this video with your friends who have a Samsung mobile. And if you are not using a Samsung phone, still you can watch the video because you will be able to know what are the features of what are the specialty of Samsung Talkback. And I am very amazed to see the features. You can use more quickly your shortcuts and use your smartphone, Samsung smartphone, more smartly with these special features. All the features related gestures. So I will tell you all the features and also we will try to experiment in front of you whether it's working or not. So without any delay, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Choose all notifications to get latest updates. You can join us on Telegram. We are now available on Telegram channel with 200 plus subscribers. The link is given in the description below. Also, we have Telegram group. I have shared the link in the description, so you can join. We can discuss more and more. So, without any delay, let's start today's episode. So to do this, I need to go to Talkback Settings. To open the Talkback Settings, I'm using swipe down and right.
Talkback menu. Actions. Enlist.
Then I'm going to Talkback Settings.
Talkback menu. Cancel. Text. Talkback settings.
I'm clicking on Talkback Settings.
Voice commands. Talkback settings. Navigate up. Button.
I'm
out of
swiping
list.
from left to right.
Talkback settings. New features in Talkback. 1 of 14.
So
Enlist.
I'm just
14
clicking on
items.
new features on Talkback, which will let me know what are the new features available in Talkback.
Welcome to the updated Talkback. Page
Welcome
1
to
of
the
4.
updated
Out of
Talkback.
list. You will get new easier gestures, simpler menus, voice control and more. You will learn about key updates and changes in the next few screens.
Okay.
This will take about 5 minutes. You can review this information in Talkback settings at any time.
Okay, so let's explore.
Next button.
I'm clicking on next button.
New gestures. Page 2 of 4.
New gestures.
New gestures have been added to make Talkback faster and easier to use.
Okay.
On this, to pause or play media in a video or music app, double tap with 2 fingers. Try it now.
So if you double tap with 2 fingers while playing a media in any platform, you can pause the audio. So I'm just trying it. I'm just double tapping with my 2 fingers. Okay, I think it is not working because I am recording with my screen recorder. Okay, so I'm swiping from left to right again.
Other apps may use this gesture for things like answering or ending a phone call. This
Okay.
gesture may not be supported by all apps.
Okay,
To stop Talkback from talking temporarily, tap with 2 fingers.
so if I tap with 2 fingers, then what will happen? Okay, so as I'm recording my screen, so it is not performing because my screen recorder draws over the other apps. Okay, so but in your case, I think it's really working. So let's see what are the other options. I'll show you.
To copy text, double tap with 3 fingers.
To copy text, double tap with 3 fingers.
To paste text, triple tap with 3 fingers.
To everything, every details you will
To
need to
cut
get to know
text,
here.
double tap and hold with 3
Okay.
fingers. To start next button.
So if I click on next button, let's see.
Reading controls.
Reading
Page 3 of
controls.
4. These shortcuts can help you quickly change settings, like switching your navigation from characters to words or changing TalkBack's speech rate. Step
Okay.
1. Try it now. Swipe right with 3 fingers. You can also reverse either of these gestures.
Okay,
Swipe left with
Okay.
next button.
Just I'm clicking on next. You will just read what are the options, what are the features. I'm just showing you what are the features available here.
More new features.
More new
Page 4 of
features.
4. Global and local context menus, used to help you find settings and controls, are now united in a single TalkBack menu. You can open it by tapping
Okay.
now, previous button. Finish.
I'm clicking on finish button.
TalkBack settings. Tutorial.
Okay, so this is all about the new settings. Now I'm going to tell you that it will work or not. So let us check. Let me open the YouTube and then come back to the video. So friends, I have already opened a YouTube and opened NCS and I am playing music. Just I have paused by using 2 fingers. Okay, so let me play it again by using my 2 fingers. I am just double tapping with my using 2 fingers and it will start playing. Let's see. Fantastic. Now let me pause this by using the same way. What a surprise. So these are the very useful gestures and useful features in Samsung TalkBack, but I think those we are not using Samsung phone, we will not get this benefit because I have tried in my Redmi phone, but I have not get anything like this. I have no gestures like this. Okay, so this is all about today. I think this video can help you a lot. This video can save your time. So if this video is really helpful, don't forget to press the like button, because when you press the like button, it shows me it's basically inspire me to make new videos. And also if you press the like button, YouTube will recommend this video to others. So you can help others, only press a button. So why, friends, you are just watching the videos but don't press the like button? Why? You can help others for free. In return, you will get new videos, you will get new topics, new tutorials, special services from us. So why? Just go and press the like button. Okay, I know you will do this. Okay friends, so see you in the next video. Till then, join with us on Facebook, Telegram group, Telegram channel, and also YouTube. Thanks for watching this video. This is Ratul signing off.